Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export or save a Google Sheets as image. So in here, I've already opened the file that I want to save as image. And what you need to do, there are two things that you can do. The first one is you can use a screenshot apps on your computer, or you can use, if you are on Windows, you can use the snipping tool and just capture the Google Sheets that you want to save as image. So click on the new button, and after that just select the area that you want to save as image, like this for example. And after you select the area, it will be automatically saved like this is the preview. And if you want to save it, just click on this save as a button. So that's the first way. And the second way is you can just save the file as PDF first. Click on download and tap on PDF. So after that, you can click on export. Then just open your browser and find PDF to JPG converter. This one. After that, you can just open the file, the video file, and convert it to JPG or PNG. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.